Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are going to deep dive into the outlook for next week. And for the first timers here, are you the person who has been keeping an eye on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Are you really worried that your investments are up 100% and you don't want to give much back to the market? You are in the right place if that's the case. Now, in this episode, we are going to discuss the overall market conditions and we'll check how we did with the last week's predictions and pinpoint clear levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's get started. First up, let's look at the current market conditions, right? So as of today, the overall sentiment is still bullish and a bit of concern topping added over it because of the extended rally that's going on. And RSI has crossed, monthly RSI has crossed 80, but monthly RSI has crossed 80. Dear gentlemen, 2 months back, it happened in July, right? So now it is at 84, definitely stretched, but that doesn't mean anything. Okay? Now, on one hand, we are seeing buying in some stocks. Some other stocks are getting thrashed 10% in a day. And there are overall concerns about global recession and about inflation and interest rates. So this is the right mix for volatility to set in. You will see wild moves. And when we are trading, we need to be on our toes. Let's check what happened to our last week's prediction. Last week, I mentioned that Nifty could reach the 26,280 mark. And guess what? It did. It made a high of 26,277. We saw a pullback right around that area on Friday. On the other hand, Bank Nifty showed lesser strength and it couldn't exactly reach my target, which was 54,600. It reached 54,470. And from there, it started reversing just shy of my target. So overall, we can safely say that there was some accuracy with respect to those predictions last week. Next, let's dive into the key levels for Nifty for the upcoming week. The support level is around 26,000. It's a very, very important support, key support, whole number, psychological level, etc., etc. So 25,600 to 25,900, that 100-point range, we can assume as a support. And if bulls want to keep the bullish momentum up, then they will step in and we will see a positive candlestick at that level, right? If it is not protected, then what can happen is Nifty will pull back to 25,600 for sure, right? And even 25,300. 25,300, I think I'm ruling out. 25,600 is like the good pullback level that we can have, and then from there a reversal can come, right? But if it is reversing from 26,000, then it's going to go 26,400, 26,500 for sure. Now, resistance for Nifty is at 26,320. So staying above this level, we know that the bulls are back. Now, let's look at Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, the support level, crucial support level is 53,750. Why is it crucial? Let's look at a chart. This has been tested several times in the past few weeks without breaking down, right? So if this holds, we could see a gigantic rise in Bank Nifty. However, I think more likely what will happen is Bank Nifty will take a dip to 53,000, right? And where I expect bulls to step in, and we could see the market move up from there to 54,600 and 55,200. I am of the view that by no means we have a top in place. It is just a prelude to a bigger thing that is coming on. Time will prove us wrong, all right? Let's see. Resistance for Bank Nifty is at 54,200 for this week. If Bank Nifty breaks this level, we could witness a significant rally. Now, those are the key levels for the coming week. Now, after having discussed those levels, I would like you to remind you that I go live every weekday from 9:30 to 10:30. It's mostly either Nifty or Bank Nifty that we trade. We don't look at Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, etc. Sometimes we look at good stocks, especially when the market tends to be in the sideways zone and we get recognized that from the candlestick patterns, we try and encash our stocks. For example, we did Coal India on Friday, which was a super hit. And it's a great opportunity to ask a lot of questions and learn about price action trading, no indicators, only candlesticks, and see real-time market analysis, right? And also execution. So just a little reminder, and before we wrap up, there is a mandatory part that I need to do, because trading in the Indian stock market is extremely risky. So please do your own research. Even if you join live, please don't copy trades. It is for knowledge sharing. I am not inclined to give buy sell calls. I will not do that. I would like everybody to learn what they're doing so that there is more conviction to what you do, right? And if always do your own research and consult a SEBI registered analyst before taking trades, right? If you think that is necessary. Anyway, so if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, and do leave your comment below this video with your thoughts on next week's market. Whether you agree with me, disagree with me, no problem. Just your comments are valuable. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more insights and analysis. And I appreciate that you took out the time to watch this video. Thank you very much. And I'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.